Imagine getting paid over $4,000 per month for writing lines like this. Surely not for the exact same simple lines, but that's where every expert programmer and developer started from. And yes, C# is one of the programming language behind the Microsoft, Unity games, banking system, and even AI tools that you are using every single day. And right now, you can take your first step to become a programmer. So with all being said, why is C# worth learning? C# developers are in high demand, especially for web apps, game development, and enterprise software. You can use C# in multiple fields, from making game and website with Unity and ASP.NET Core, to making cross-platform mobile apps for both iOS and Android at the same time with the help of .NET MAUI. In countries like USA, average salary for C# programmers and developers go from $60,000 per year to $100,000 per year. And even programmers and developers from other countries make a great income by freelancing and joining the global teams. So with all being said, let's make our first programming project. Here, when you open your Visual Studio, that's what you are seeing. Here, it shows your recent projects, but we don't have anything to do with it because we want to create a new project. We click here, create a new project. And here, we want a simple console app project. We click on it. If you didn't find it here, just simply search it here. Console app. And pay attention, we want C# console app, not Visual Basic and not F#. Click on it and click the next. Here, we should pick a name for our project. I say first project. And in the next field, we should give it a path. And then click the next. And here, we should pick the version of our .NET framework. I picked .NET 8, but when you see this video, pick the latest version available for you. And click the create. And wait a little bit. And congratulations, you made your first programming project. We want to delete this line because it's a comment and it's useless. Don't worry at all if you got confused by this environment and these files. I will explain all of them in the time. But for now, just have in mind we have a file called program.cs. .cs means it's a C# file. And the program.cs is the file that we are writing our C# code inside it for this course. Inside the program.cs, we have a simple line here. This little line of code prints everything that we write between these parentheses in the console class. Let me show you. I execute this code, and as you can see, I got the hello world in the console. So now, if I change it to hello YouTube, for example, and execute my code again, you will see that I got hello YouTube here. Now I want to do something cool. Come here, right click, go to properties, on the screen text, I want to change the string text color. I pick the green and OK. And I execute my program. And as you can see, it's pretty cool now. I like it, it's like a hacker mode. The thing that you should know is there are two main ways to execute your program. The first one is with debugging mode. The debugging mode can help you to track bugs inside your project and fix them. You can simply execute your code in the debugging mode by just clicking here. And as you can see, it executed in the debugging mode. And also you can simply do the same by pressing F5 in the Windows and Command and Option in the Mac. And the second way to run your program is running it without debugging mode. You can simply do that by clicking here, or pressing Ctrl and F5 on Windows, or Command Option and Return on the Mac. And here it is, your very first programming project, and probably the simplest one. This is how every professional programmer and developer started. Even those who are working at fan companies right now, like Microsoft and Google. In the next video, you will learn about the real programming basics like variables, data types, logic, and etc. The important basics that you need to know for every programming language, not just C#. If you are really serious about becoming a programmer, this is where it begins for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch the short videos. And also, I have a Discord server to group up a community for programmers. Make sure to check it out, it will help you to build connections. The link is in the description of the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.